Arẹmu Afolayan ọmọ adilọfu onitiata àbúrò ìpínlẹ̀ tó ṣe fíìmù tó náà tó gẹ́ni nínú àwọn òṣèré ti sápá lẹ́yìn Bọ́lá Tinubu ó lóun kábàámọ̀ gidigidi lórí bó ṣe tẹ̀lé ọkùnrin onitiata akẹgbẹ́ òun Kẹ́hìndé Adams ẹni táwọn tó bọ̀ sí lẹ́gàn àmì lọ ṣe ìpolongo ìbò fún Bọ́lá Tinubu lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ìjẹ́ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Arẹmu Afolayan èpè ni o èpè ọmọ àdùgbúlẹ̀jà bó ti ń ṣẹ́bílé làwọn Nàìjíríà ń ṣépè rẹpẹtẹ ọkùnrin ọmọ àníbi níran yìí látàrí ohun tó sọ nípa ètò ààbò tó mẹ́hẹ̀ káwọn Nàìjíríà kò lè mórílé oṣù kàdàdà wọn láti sun àsùnnára èpè náà ni ó mú Arẹmu Afolayan bẹ́ẹ̀ síta o bẹ́ẹ̀ ló bẹ̀bẹ̀ tó yẹra mọ́lẹ̀ wípé òun kò tún ṣerú ẹ̀ mọ́ àti pé níṣe ni àwọn èèyàn ṣe òun gbọ́ o ṣá o ẹnu ẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ òun ti dùn dáadáa ẹ má gbàgbé o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Tinubu náà ni àwọn èèyàn kan ṣe kọlu Sunday Igboho bí wọ́n ṣe ṣépèlé náà ni wọ́n ń ṣẹ́bílé o táwọn mẹ́fà kan sọ pé ọ̀dàlẹ̀ ní látàrí ọ̀rọ̀ tó náà sọ báyìí lórí ìpolongo tó ṣe fún Bọ́lá Tinubu lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ kò sọ lórúkọ tí wọ́n pé Sunday Igboho bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn mẹ́fà kan sọ pé àwọn àdògbọ́n tí wọ́n parọ́ tí àwọn DSS wá ká Sunday Igboho mọ́lé pẹ̀lú ipò àti ohun tí Igboho wà lónìí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Tinubu àti ìbò tí ó ń bọ̀ ajẹ́pẹ́lẹ́ṣe ni àwọn àdògbọ́n ìfẹ̀mí ara wọn ṣòfò dànù nítorí kò yẹ kí Igboho sáré ìbìrí padà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o.
Good morning, Nigerians. Good morning, everyone. My name is Arẹmu Afolayan, and I am so sober this morning. I am very sober. First, to all Nigerians, all well-wishers, all the people that wish this country goes better, Jimmy, I am sorry. First, before I say anything, I am sorry. Jimmy, thank you. No. Èpè yìí pọ̀ mi ìdẹ̀ṣẹ̀ o, mo kọ̀ go wrong ni. Mo go wrong. Mo pick nǹkan tí ó yẹ kí n pick, and I am seriously sorry. So first, two narration is going on social media, which is pé mo gba owó. Mi gba owó rárá. My heart is heavy, and I have hurt a lot of Nigerians deeply. Ẹ dákun ẹ foríjì mi, ẹ dákun ẹ foríjì mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. You know what? I didn't take money from anyone. No, at all. The second narration is about insecurity. It is so obvious that insecurity is in town, is everywhere in Nigeria, and the government are not doing anything about it. But what I was trying to say in the video, is, tí ẹ bá rí anybody tó sọ pé hey wọ́n bọ̀ láti bíbá yìí o, and someone in the news is telling you don't worry, nothing is happening, be calm, ẹ má dá lóhùn. Don't answer that person, because that person is reading a script. That was all I was trying to say. That don't answer that person, because the person saying be calm, everything will be fine, in a script somebody told him or her to read. I am sorry, Nigerians. What I was saying in essence is insecurities in Nigeria. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ti ń ka script fún yín pé don't worry, everything will be fine is lying. The person is lying, because it's obvious that there is insecurity. My best friend mother was kidnapped. I am not supposed to bring this matter here. She was kidnapped, we paid. How will I say there is no insecurity? We didn't bring this house because we had the payment from millions of people because we all didn't have. What I was saying about insecurity is if anyone is reading a script on television telling you don't worry, everything is fine, they are not doing anything in any place, it's a lie. You run away because there is obviously something wrong, but that person is saying what they want him to say. Ẹ dákun, ẹ foríjì mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. In fact, due to this heat and every course I've gotten, I am telling you right now, Nigerians, that I am in my very, very lower stage, sober, to my people, because my people come first and you are my people. You've supported me through my career as an actor. You've supported my business, my 2 businesses. It's not the government that supports my business, it's you. I am sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Insta blog, all the gist lover, all of you that just made all this thing so terrible. I understand you are doing your job. Thank you. I take all this blame. I take it. I am really sorry. All of you. Everyone that matters to me sees me and say, oh, Arẹmu Afolayan, I like you. So for this, I know your choice is not Tinubu or the regime of Tinubu. Of course, I am withdrawing everything about. In fact, what I went to do is just to call Lege. I like this thing you brought up, because right now we can now talk to our local government chairman directly and hold them accountable. That was why I went for that, not the other way around. I'm sorry, Nigerians. Please forgive me, please. I'm withdrawing myself. Anything that has to do with politics, anything that has to do with politics, I'm withdrawing, and I'm standing with you, my people. Please forgive me. Moyo, please, all of those caps, all those accessories, just go throw them off into the garbage. I don't care. I don't want to have anything to do with this again. Again, I repeat, Mami, Babami, ẹ̀yin àbúrò mi, ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ní orí social media, ẹ dákun. Please, my people, tell me, yes, ẹ bínú sí mi, but ẹ bá mi apologize sí more people called dáríjì mi. To all my Igbo friends that called me and said, Arẹmu, you shouldn't have said that. I said, I didn't do anything. They only read it wrong. They only read what I said wrong. They listened to it wrong. What I was saying is, if anyone is telling you, because my Igbo friends call me, 3 of my Hausa friends said, Arẹmu, they are really bashing you. I said, if an Hausa man can call me, that means this thing is everywhere. That means multi-share Nigerians. I am sorry. As in, from the depth of my heart, I am sorry. Please forgive me, please. And I'm withdrawing, as in with my full chest. I am withdrawing and standing with you people, because that's what I have been doing right from time. Edakun, Emapin, Edakun. Please, Moyo, throw away all these things. I don't ever want to have anything to do with this. Igbo, Yoruba, and the Hausas that look into me, patronize my business, a job. No, I know other bad people will be looking at me and laughing now, but I understand their time will come too. But for me, I raise up my hand. I'm hands off anything that has to do with this government. Thank you very much. Thank you.